Assalamualaikum one class, how are you? Okay, in one class, let's start countdown work. Open your planner and mention date in planner number 51. In planner number 50, here is our test day, so we will do it after completion of our syllabus. Okay, so mention it in plan number 51 and open page number 51 from your workbook. Okay, I have opened the page number 51. First of all, mention date and day on the top of the page. It is about ordinal numbers, and in this page we will do write the ordinal numbers with the days of week. Okay, as we know that the sequence of days in our week, let's write the ordinal numbers with them. Okay, write the missing words. One has been done for you. Monday is the dash. कौन से डे है? फर्स्ट. Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, and Tuesday is the dash day of the week. Which day of the week? Yes, second day. This man right, second and the blank. Okay, Wednesday is the dash day of the week. Third. Thursday is the dash of the day of the week. Yes, fourth. 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 Friday is a dash day of the week. Exactly. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday. Saturday is the dash day of the week. Sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Now write the ordinal numbers in sequence. Okay. In question number 5, match each day in the correct ordinal number. हम लोगों ने इसमें क्या करना है? ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स के साथ डेज को मैच करना है. One has been done for us as Tuesday is the second day. It has been done for us. Now, which is the first day? If you are find difficulty in it, and then firstly read out and learn these ordinal numbers and the sequence of days. Then match the following columns. Okay, Sunday is the seventh day, as we had mentioned in the blank. Sunday is the seventh day. Thursday is the fourth day. Yes, Thursday is the fourth day. Which is the first day? Yes, Monday is the first day. Wednesday is the third day. Saturday is sixth day of the week and Friday is the fifth day of the week. तो आपने इसको इसी तरीके से कॉलम मैचिंग कर लेनी है. ठीक है जी. And in our planner number 51, here is our page number 52 is also that you have to be done. Okay, in page number 52 you have to write the write date and day. Okay, in page number 52 here is a timetable, class 1 timetable. Look at the timetable. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and here is the sequence of periods. Okay, first period will यानी जो आप फर्स्ट जो बुक पढ़ोगे मंडे को वो है, यानी 1 क्लास का कोई स्टूडेंट है वो फर्स्ट जो बुक पढ़ेगा वो मैथ्स. ठीक है, ट्यूसडे सॉरी मंडे को सेकंड जो होगा साइंस, थर्ड इंग्लिश लेक्चर होगा एंड सो ऑन. ये आपको पूरा एक टाइम टेबल बताएंगे. ठीक है, लुक एट द टाइम टेबल एंड आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट इज द फोर्थ पीरियड ऑन वेडनेसडे? Yes, look at the Wednesday planning and timetable, and there is first period. It is asking about first period. तो on first period आपका कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया जाएगा वेडनेसडे को? Yes, उर्दू. तुम राइट उर्दू in the answer box. Okay. Part B. In which period do the children have maths on Friday? On Friday? Okay, look at the Friday timetable, and it is asking in the question that about maths. In which period the children do maths? Okay, where is math in Friday? Yes, and math is the fifth period. Okay, right, fifth in the answer box. Okay, question 3. What is the second period on Thursday? Thursday को second period कौन सा है? Yes, English. तो write English. Sorry. Yes, at second period in English on Thursday. Okay. D part. With what subject is taught in the fourth period of Tuesday? Tuesday के fourth period में कौन सा subject पढ़ाया जाता है? तो Tuesday देखिए, Tuesday में fourth period is about science. Right, science in the blank. Part fifth question. In which period do the children हैव सोशल स्टडीज़ ऑन वेडनेसडे। वेडनेसडे को कौन से पीरियड में स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो सोशल स्टडीज़ पढ़ते हैं? तो लुक एट द वेडनेसडे प्लानिंग, फाइंड आउट सोशल स्टडीज़ एंड काउंट द इट्स पीरियड नंबर। ओके, इट इज़ थर्ड पीरियड, यहाँ पे आप लिख देंगे थर्ड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ in planning there is a homework on page number 53. Okay, in page number 53 it is about ordinal numbers also, and it is a review exercise for you, and you have to color the pictures according to the description. कलर द फर्स्ट एंड फिफ्थ फ्रॉक। तो आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट, अच्छा जिस साइड पे आपको स्टार्ट का कहा है आपने उसी साइड से उसको काउंट करना है, और उसके बाद जिस भी नंबर को आपको जो कलरिंग का कहा गया आप उसको कलरिंग करेंगे, ठीक है, फर्स्ट एंड फिफ्थ वन। सिमिलरली स्टार्ट इस साइड से करेंगे तो सेकेंड इज this butterfly is second, and sixth and seventh and so on. This phase will must be done by you. Okay students, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।